Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to write a disk image to a USB pen drive or an SD card. It's really simple. All you need is a small USB pen drive or an SD card. You also need the disk image you're going to be writing. Today I'm going to be writing this Ubuntu image, which is a 5.7 mainline kernel focal image. And also you're going to need Win32 Disk Imager. This is a software that allows you to write disk images to your external devices. Other than that, there's nothing else you need. So you can go ahead and open up Win32 Disk Imager. So you can see that I've detected the device that I'm going to be writing to. Go ahead and select the image, which is there you go. And you have to go ahead and click write, and it will write the image. Once it is successful, you can go ahead and open this up. Since I've already done this, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is what you're gonna see. This is the FAT32 file system partition. To know if you're using a different VIM, maybe the VIM 1, the VIM 2, you have to go ahead and edit the DTB file. So basically, take this DTB and go ahead and delete it. So yes, go ahead to this part, and select the one you're gonna be using. I'm gonna be using the vim3.ttb file. Go ahead and copy that right here, and I'm gonna rename this. You have to rename it to dtb.img since we're replacing that file. It'll say that file name extension. Don't worry about that, just say yes. And that's it. Since we're using the Vim3 or any other Vim, you have to activate multi-boot. So I'm going to teach you how you can do that now. So guys, now you've flashed the image to your pen drive or SD card. This one's kind of tiny, right? So yeah, once you've basically wrote the image, you need to insert it into the USB port. Pretty simple. Don't use this USB port because it has an interference problem with the Wi-Fi. We've discussed this in the forum. Check it out if you want. But basically, don't use this one. Keep it as a fact. Yeah, once you put it into this port, you're probably going to use SD card. You want to use this one. I've already put an SD card here. So yeah, that's it. So when you plug in your HDMI cable, Ethernet, maybe keyboard, mouse, and you plug in your USB-C power cable, assuming it's turned on, when you plug it right in, you want to long press this power button, and on your screen you should get the Kados logo. By the time which you should short press the reset button for about 2 to 3 seconds, assuming 2 to 3 seconds mostly. If you're doing headless, if you're not connecting the display, it should be about in that range. And then you should release the finger from the reset button. Go ahead and keep continuing pressing the P button for about 5 more seconds until the logo that went away comes back, and you can release the finger from the power button. And basically that's it. You've entered multi-boot, which allows your VIM to boot from SD card or pen drive or something like that. So yeah, that's it guys. That is a basic tutorial. Hope you understood. See you next time. Bye.